This is my voice. This is my heartbeat. This is my footprint. This is my name. When a group of people all their lives are determined to do one thing well, companions become the scenery along the journey. Since its foundation, OPT has consistently pursued progress, from product development to implementation, from inception to growth. OPT repeatedly breaks through the boundaries of industry perception and rapidly becomes a leading provider in the application of machine vision. When a group of people all their lives concentrate on doing one thing, common and persistent beliefs become the coordinates of each other. Over 6,200 days and nights, we have built a precise and efficient system around visual image processing and analysis. We operate the world's most advanced laboratory for image processing, obtaining over 40 different qualification certificates, acquiring more than 500 patents, providing over 160,000 imaging solutions, and developing over 300 different 2D, 3D, and deep learning algorithms. Never have we halted our steps in moving forward. It is OPT's belief to achieve self-realization and pursue the ultimate vision of excellent image processing. We continue breakthrough concepts and knowledge, exploring new areas such as sensor development and other innovative fields. With heads held high, we courageously strive towards a magnificent future. In nearly 2 decades of journey, OPT's products and solutions have served over 20 countries and regions. Encompassing over 100 industries including 3C, lithium batteries, semiconductors, and automotive manufacturing. With over 32,000 customized solutions and 53,000 industrial applications, help thousands of enterprises move towards intelligent transformation. This is us. Never forget the beginning to move forward. Pursuing the ultimate, focusing on every detail. Our goal is always to be the best.